Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share Snapchat posts with others on Android device. Well, knowing how to share Snapchat posts with others allows you to easily share interesting or entertaining content with your friends or followers on the platform. And by sharing posts, you can engage with others, spark conversations, or simply spread enjoyment within your social circle. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, so now you can open Spotlight tab to see Snapchat post. Okay, just tap on it to see the other post. Okay, so the way to share posts, simply tap this icon, and here you have already to share it, whether to your friends on Snapchat, or you can share it via social media applications here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to share Snapchat posts with others on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.